Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today you'll be learning how to make doily coasters. They are very simple and easy to make. For this project, I used medium weight acrylic yarn, 5mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn needle. To begin the first round, start with a slip knot. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now insert your hook into the first chain to form a ring. Then make a slip stitch. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Now what we're going to do is to make 20 double crochet into the center of the ring, right here, as you can see. Start by yarning over, insert your hook into the center of the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops from your hook, yarn over again and pull through 2. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into the center of the ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we've just made our first 10 double crochets. Continue until you reach 20 in total. And now we've just made 20 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. To finish the first round, make a slip stitch to join the top of the first double crochet with the other double crochets. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. start round 2, chain 2. Next, go ahead and make 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops at the same time. Now chain 1 and make another 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch. Now chain 1. Let's do it again. Make a 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, then chain 1. Repeat the same process until the end of a round. To finish round 2, join a slip stitch into the top stitch right here. Now we've just completed round 2. In round 3, we'll be working into the spaces between the chains. Start with making a slip stitch into the first space right here. Then chain 2. This counts as the first double crochet. Now make another double crochet into the first space. Then chain 1. Then make 2 more double crochets into the same space. And now I've just made 4 double crochets into the same space, separated by a chain 1 space. What we're going to do now is to skip the first chain 1 space and work into the following chain 1 space. Make 2 double crochets into the second space, chain 1, and make 2 more double crochets into the same space. Again, skip the next chain space and work into the following chain space. Repeat the same process until the end of the round. To finish this round, join with a slip stitch into the top of the second chain right here. To start round 4, make 1 double crochet into the first chain in one space, chain 1, and do this 4 more times. You should have 5 double crochets in total. Chain 1, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and make 1 double crochet. And now we've just made 5 double crochets in total, separated by a chain 1 space. Now make a slip stitch into this triangle space between the double crochets. And now I've just made the first curve of the coaster. Let's do this again. Make a double crochet into the triangle space right here. Chain 1. Make another double crochet into the same space. Chain 1, another double crochet into the same space, chain 1, repeat this until you reach 5 double crochets in total. Now make a slip stitch into the following space. Repeat the same process until the end of the round. After completing all the curves, close the round with a slip stitch into the triangle space right here. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. Let's weave in. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you really liked my tutorial, please subscribe and leave a comment. See you next tutorial. Bye.